guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make my favorite dessert. Let's do this. No, put it back in. No. Go. Why are you eating them? Eat that one instead, don't worry, because I've got What is happening? My cotton is bad. Let's go. Now give me it. Cotton is bad. What kind of? Let's go. Don't eat my soup. Alright, one piece. Goodness. So we're going to put our favorite yogurt in. This is our favorite yogurt. Let me start with you, Cherish, because you get tricky with it. Ready. Oh. Oh my god. Time to mix it. My favorite colour is blue and pink. Mine. Look at the colour. Getting pinker. Let me dab it for you. Now when we finish mixing, we're going to eat it. Cherish! I don't have much yogurt. Here's a knife. I'm going to cut yours, Cherish. Why are you looking at me like that? watching, guys. Make sure you hit the like button and you subscribe. See you next time. Bye!
I'm feeling your fire burning my heart too.